So today we learn about this web page. So for this web page, we only need one notepad and one web browser only. So here I stop my video first. Okay. Then I minimize this web page. Now we learn it how we do it. So everyone open your notepad. So NOTEPAD, you can write down notepad in your search box, and after that you can press the enter key here. Okay. So first here we learn how to write the mark to tag here. Okay. So how we scroll our text on the screen. What do you mean by the mark to tag here? Mark to tag means scrolling of your text on the screen. So how we scroll it, we learn here first. So you can write down here same yesterday class. You can write down first HTML, then you can write down here head. But today we don't use the CSS, we only use the HTML. In yesterday class we use HTML and CSS both, but here we use only HTML. Okay, so first you write down HTML, then you write down head, and after that you can write down your body tag. Okay, so you can write down here body. This is the basic structure we need to write in every web page. And after this body, you can close it all. Okay, but you can see here after the head tag, one title tag is also important here. So you can write down the title. What do you mean by the title tag? Title means you write down the name of your web page. Okay, if you want to write down the name of your web page, then you can use the title tag here. So we use title. After that, for example, we written here moral, M capital, moral, story. So you can write down stories, or you can write down story that you want, you can write down here. And after that, close the title tag. So how we close the title tag? With the help of front slash. You put here front slash, then you can write down here title. Okay, and after this title you close your angular bracket. So here your title tag is closed. So now you can see here we write down the body. After body, here we need to write down the mark tag. You see here beta on web browser. First we learn here how to write this moral story and how rotate this moral story on our screen. Okay, so we learn first this point. So you can write down here. Again, open your file, and here we need to write down mark. Achha, what do you mean by the mark? Mark is a tag that are used to moving your text on the screen. So here you can use mark. After mark, just first we just write down mark here. Okay, and after that you can write down here. So what is the mark? For example, my mark is story. Okay. So my mark is story. You can write down any text. You can write down your name, your pet name, your parents' name, your friend name, anything you can write down here. This is only a text. So here I have written story. After this, I have closed the mark tag. Okay, so we need to close the mark tag here. After closing the mark tag, we need to close this body. We start the body tag here. So first we close the body tag. So here we need to close the body tag here. And after closing the body, we need to close the head tag. But this is your head tag. This head tag you can close after the title tag. Otherwise, you can close this head tag just before the HTML tag. Okay, so I am closing my head tag just below the head tag. So sorry, HTML tag. So here we close head, and after closing the head tag, we need to close the HTML. So here our basic structure is completed. So now we learn all these things, how to insert images and videos, etc. So first you save it, click on the file, then click on the save. Here we need to write down the name of your file. You can write down any name of your file. Okay, so you can write down any name of your file. For example, your name, any name. Okay, so here I am written moral. Okay, moral and .html. Everyone learn this name of a file, moral.html. .html is very important beta. Everyone write down .html here, and after that you can click on the save button. Okay, now we see the output of this. So you can minimize it. You can also minimize it. and then you can open your file. So you can see here moral. So this moral is our web page. Now if I don't write down the .html, so it shows like this scratch.link or this file, it can seen on that type. So but this is our web page, so this icon will displayed on your screen. So now you can double click on it. Okay, so when you double click on it, you can see story is moving on our page, but you can see not interesting, just simple text is moving here. So how we do the interesting of this marquee tag? So again, open your file of notepad. Okay, and here you can write down here we need to write down bg color is equal to, you can write down any color name between the inverted comma, bg bg color. Don't write down color. Okay, so the name of the attribute is bg color is equal to, and here we need to write down the color name. For example, I am taking here cyan color, cyan, and then we close the inverted comma here. Okay, so what will be the output of this marquee tag? Give a one background color, but you can see the story word very small. So how we large it? So how we change the size of this story? So you can see here, beta, everyone focus on the screen. After this body tag, you need to write down here font tag. Which tag? Font tag. So font tag is used to change the size, color of your and your font faces also. So change the font faces, color and size of your text. We use the font tag. So here you can write down font font, and then you can give one space. Here you use color. Don't write down color. Just write down color. Font color is equal to, if you want to write down, then you can write down green color or any color, but if you don't want, don't write down. So by default the color is black, text color is black, and the background color is your white. So here you can write down, for example, I am writing here green color. Now we want to change the size, size of our marquee tag. So you can write down here size is equal to, and between inverted comma you can write down here size, and our size is 9. And after that you close your angular bracket, and you can see here our marquee tag is completed. Okay, so you can close your font tag after your marquee. Done. Now you save it. Every time, it is very important, beta, every time you save your file, when you do any editing on your notepad, you always save it. And when you open your browser, every time you refresh it. So you can see here, when we refresh it, so our text will be moving on our screen and in larger area, and one background is also in the back of your text. Okay, now you can see when our text is moving, everyone attention on screen. You can see here when our text is moving, so our text come behind the screen. But we want our text only move on this particular screen. So what we do here, we write down the behavior of the marquee tag. Okay, so again open your notepad here, and here we need to write down behavior. So first, front of the BG color, I have written here BEHAVIOR. Everyone attention here, don't write down BEHAVIOUR. Don't write down U. Okay, thus the behavior spelling here is BEHAVIOR. Behavior is equal to, and between inverted comma you can write down here alternate. What we write down here? Alternate, and then close the inverted comma, and one space is very important here. So before this BG color, we give one space here. Now our marquee tag is completed. So we see the output of this. Save it again, and after saving, minimize it, and you can see now the changes of it. Now our text only move on our screen, left and right. It don't move behind the screen. It only move on our screen. So this is the mean of your behavioral alternate. Behavior alternate. Any problem, beta? Any problem till now? Anyone have any problem till now? No problem is there? Okay, so now you can see our Yes, Shivam. First, you start your video, beta. If you want to say something, start your video. Then I will unmute you. Otherwise, sorry. Yes, Shivam. Yes, beta. Speak up.
Ma'am, your voice is coming slowly.
Which beta?
Ma'am, your voice is coming slowly.
Ritu, ma'am. Any problem in my voice?
Ma'am, it's fine.
Beta, check your side voice, beta, please. From my side, voice is clear. So you can check it from your side.
Yes. Shivam, beta, voice is
Shivam,
clear.
you can check your voice, beta.
Ma'am, I'm joining again.
Okay, you can join it again. No problem there.
Yes, Arav also raised his hand.
Yes, beta. Yes, Ara.
Ma'am, can you tell again why do we use that behavior tag?
Yes, we do the behavior tag for our behavior of the marquee. For example, we want our text only move on the screen. So we want behavior alternate. So alternate is the word that can move over text only on the screen. If we don't write down the behavior, our text will be move around the screen. Or for example, our text will be moving like this. So front story will go on the left side and then come from the right side. So this like this without behavior, our text is moving. But now you can see our text just go to the right side. After that, when it touch to the edges, again it move on the left side. When it touch on the left side edges, then again move on the right side. This is the main
Yes.
working of the behavior and alternate.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I didn't notice that effect. Thank
Yes,
you.
this is the main particular way of this. So now we add here, you can see our web page first. What we want to say now. Now we want to do here these images. We want to insert these images in a particular way. Aditya Verma, beta, start your video. If you want to say something, please start your video. And then you can say beta. Okay, so now you can see five images are there. One is this, first, second, third, four, and five. Five images are there. So how we insert these images here now? Okay, so how we insert these images? We try it now. The code is in yesterday class we also learned img tag. So again we do here img. Okay, so let's start. Everyone have the images now, na? So we use that in particular images here. So you can write down after this marquee tag here. Here we need to write down img. Img is the name of the tag. img is the name of the tag that are used to insert a particular image. So the name of the image you can see here, beta. First you can see here. No problem, Aditya beta. If you are on PC, so no problem is there. You can do it. No problem. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is written here. So these all are the images. So everyone save these all images on your desktop. Then we use these images in our web page. So how we use it? Open your notepad again. Open it, and now you can do here img space SRC. What do you mean by the SRC? SRC means source. So you can write down img SRC is equal to, just write down 1.jpg. Don't write down any path here because our web document and our images all are on a same space. So on our same location. So our images on desktop, our document on desktop. So no need to write down complete path and these all things, C drive, and don't write down anything. Just write down the name of the image dot extension of the image. So name of the image is 1 and the extension is .jpg. So you just write down 1.jpg, and after that you need to close the inverted comma here. Okay, but you can see here when we do one more point here. img is your open tag, so no need to close it. img is your open tag, so no need to close it. img is your in technical term, the img is your empty tag. img is your empty tag, so empty tag are no need to close it. Now we write down here img src is equal to 1.jpg. So what will that change in our web page? You see here, save it. Every time you need to save it. and now you open your browser here and you refresh it. So you see here our image is there. So you can insert your image in this way. But we want all complete 5 images in a single row. Then we need to set the height and width of this particular image. So how we do it? Let's do it. Okay. Again, open your notepad, beta. Again, we need to open your notepad. Aditya, beta, start your video, please. Yes, Shivam. Say, beta, what you want to say? Say it. Speak, beta.
Ma'am, I'm saying that, ma'am, we have to add comics in the web browser. We can also add comics.
Yes, you can add it, beta. But comics first you download in your computer, then you can add it here. Okay. And one more thing is here. If you take any comics from the internet, so you can just give the hyperlink. How we give it? I will explain it here. So you just write down here the link of this particular comics. Comics will be also add here. Okay, so now we want to set the image size here. So all complete 5 images will set on a particular row. So how we do it? Open it, and here just before the closing of angular bracket, here give one space, and after that you can write down here height, HEIGHT. Height is equal to an between inverted comma you can write down 150, 200, 250. You can write down any, but you check it on your screen. It will set on your screen or not. So you can change it up and down, 150, 100, 200, 250. You can change it. Okay, but according to me, you can set here height is equal to 150. And width we set it here, WIDTH, width is equal to 250. Okay, so we set it here. Now we want 4 images again also. So just copy this complete path. Just copy it. Everyone attention here, beta. Arav, see here. Now you just copy this path here and press one enter and just paste here. And do one change here. Instead of this one, you write down here 2.jpg because the name of second image is 2. Again, you can press Ctrl V, then you can write down 3 here. And same again, you can paste it here and you can change the 4. Again, you paste here and now you can change the name of particular image is 5. That's it. So all 5 images are displayed on your screen now. Save it, minimize it, and refresh it here. So now you can see here, all images are displayed on your screen on a single line. If you want to change the height and width, you can do it but according to your choice. Okay, so this is your particular images, how to insert the images and how we set the height and width. One more interesting point here, if we want to rotate all these images on our screen, then what we can do here? What we can do here? We have already learned. So what we do, just write down the marquee tag front of these. So we try it only, okay? So you can write down just before the IMG tag here, we need to add marquee, MARQUE, marquee tag. And after these all images, we need to close the marquee tag here. Okay, now you save it, minimize it again and refresh it here. So now you can see all images are moving on the screen. Now you can see here your first image, second image, third image, all images are moving on your screen. So this is very interesting or not? Are you happy to see it, beta? Rakshit, Aditya, Ashish, Pavitra? Interesting? Good, good, very good, everyone. So if you don't want to move it, you remove the marquee tag. If you want to remove it, rotate it, so you can write down the marquee tag here. Okay. So now you can see what we want to do here. So you can see here. Now you can see here, hyperlink is given here of the complete story. So now I will tell only one video how to edit and one link how to edit because time is very less. So here we learn You can see here beta on screen, when I click on the lion and the rabbit, when I click on it, our complete story is displayed here, complete image is here and complete story is here. So how we do it? We open first a new document like this. I will only show you here because already I have sent you. So you can see here, first we need to open again a notepad page where you write down this complete story. I have already sent you. Okay, so you can check it from there. So you can write down this complete coding here, and after completing it, you can save your s1.html. We have already saved it. Okay, so now how we add on our file? So how we do it? Close it and let's learn how we add it. So here, after this, I want to remove this marquee tag here. I don't want images in scrolling way, so I want to remove it. Okay. After this image, you write down here, beta. What we write down? A tag. What we write down? A tag. A stands for your anchor tag. A stands for anchor. Anchor means hyperlink. How we create the linking between two files. For example, Shivam, you want to link the file with the arrow file. Okay, and arrow want to link between your Shivam file. So how we do it? Here, for example, I am Renu. Okay, so here my file is open. I want to link between Shivam file. So I write down here the link of the Shivam file. But here our link is s1.html. So you can write down a space href is equal to, and between inverted comma you can write down the name of file, and name of file is s1.html, and after that you can close the inverted comma here and you can close the angular bracket. Okay, now we want li. Before this we need to write down here ol tag, because we want all link are come in a sequence. So you can write down here ol a href s1.html, and here you write down li. Li stands for list item, and the name of the our first story is the lion and the rabbit, RABBIT, and after that we need to close the a tag. Same like you copy this. Okay, you copy it and you can paste it here 5 times. If 5 are there, if 4 are there, you can paste here 4 times. So here you write down s2.html, here you write down s3.html, and also change the name of your story. For example, the name of the story here is, for example, the hunter and the pigeon. So you can write down here, and for example, the third story name is two friends and the bear. So you can write down two friends and the bear. Okay, beta. So same like you can paste it and change the name of it. So you can see what is the output of it. Again, you can save it, minimize it, open your browser again, and now you can refresh it. Okay, so now you can see the lion and the rabbit is there, the hunter and the pigeon is there. So if we want to click on it, when I click on the hunter and the pigeon, for example, so you can see here one story is coming. Then we press on the back, we again come on the front page. So if you again click on it, for example, I want to click on the rabbit and the lion. So when we click on it, so you can see the rabbit and the lion will be displayed on your screen. Fine, beta. Now you see these videos. Time is very less. Aditya, beta, if you want to say something, please start your video. Otherwise, sorry, I am not unmuted you. Please start your video if you want to say something, beta. So again, open your notepad. Now we add here video. Okay. So how we add the video here? After this hyperlink, we write down the video link here. Learn here one point, beta. Very important, this tag is there. So first you write down angular bracket, video. video space. After that you write down controls, 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 video space controls is equal to, and between inverted comma you can again write down controls here. If we don't write down this, so you can see here, these are all are the controls, like you muted and display, and these complete are not displayed on your screen. That's why we write down video controls is equal to, and between inverted comma you can write down controls here. Okay, bache? So again open it, controls, and after that you close the inverted comma, and after that we need to write down SRC. What we write down here? SRC. SRC stands for source. Okay, and here we need to write down the name of the video, and the name of my video is loen.mp4. So first name is loen.mp4, and you can close the inverted comma, and here you need to close the angular bracket. Okay, and if you want to set the height and width, so you can write down here HEIGHT, height is equal to, we take here 150. Okay, so inverted comma you can write down 150, and you also set width here is equal to 250. So height is 150, width is 250, and also write down here muted. If you don't write down the muted word here, now all these are displayed here, and if we unmuted it, so voice is coming, and click on the play button. And if you press the minimize button, full screen, so you can see here a full screen will be displayed here. So are you excited? Have you learned? Done, beta? Done, everyone? Very good, very good. So here our web page is completed, and if anyone have any problem, okay beta, if anyone have any doubt, any problem, please raise your hand and ask me.